Okay, hello everyone. My name is Miguel Angel, and this is my project for the week three. This is a project of a task manager or to-do list. The principal function of this API is to let users to register, and then every user create their own task. Okay. Uh, right now is not applied authentication for now, but in essence, this is our our API. So let me see here. Okay. So we see here we could get the users. Maybe this route will be deleted after, but we could check the user. Right now is only one user in the database. We also could post a new user. We could name it any. Maybe we could let it right here. If you see here, email is not a email at all. So we use validation to regret this email. So we need to apply this type, and that's it. This is the new user created. We could see here in our database we have another user. Okay, to copy the ID right here. Uh, we could check to get a user by a specific ID. This is the user we create. We see here that we add a timestamp to see when the user was created and if it's updated. One more thing is update the user using the ID. We could save the user instead of 30, maybe 40, and the email update at gmail.com. And it's here. That's it. Let's see here. This user will change right here. We see here that creation date is the same, but the update date is different. So maybe that will be useful in the future. Okay, and we could delete a user. When we apply an authentication, maybe these functions will be more restrictive. Okay, okay, code we see here is deleted. Okay, okay. One more thing is we see here the user side, here the task side. So we could find attacks by a specific user. So when the user is deleted, the tax is empty. But when we use this specific user, sorry, let me check this. When this user, we could see the tax created. Okay, this is the tax for the user. One thing we can do is create more tags. We need to put the ID from the user. So in that way, the tags will be uh, created on the user side. We applied evaluation to here. If I put this is the three enums values below. If we see here, user validation is not about any value for status. We see in the example is high, is pending, in progress, or complete. So right now we create a new tags. We can see here the tags, and we see this task created. Okay, we could get a tags by ID, but we also need the, the user ID and the tags. In this case, maybe we could receive this task here, and we see here a specific task. We could update the tags. Okay, as I said before, we need the user ID and the tax ID. Maybe we could save it as complete and priority too low. So that's it. If we see here, the tax is changed to sorry completed. Okay, that's it. And for sure, we could delete the tax. If you see here, we need the ID of the user and the ID of the task. This for ensure that we don't move to another way or another part of the database. So that's it. This is my API. So I hope everything could be fine.